In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use Putty, a free SSH and Telnet client. To download Putty, you want to go to www.putty.org and then from the home page, select Download Putty. Select the package file that is best suited for you. I'll be using the 64/86-bit. Once the download is complete, open the file, select Next to continue, select Next, and then select Install. Select Finish, and it's just launching the README. Now from the search, you can search for Putty. Launch the application, and then here is where you'll specify the host name that you want to connect to. Before you hit open, if a server that you're going to connect to often, you can save the session by specifying the session name and then select save. So once you launch Putty again, you can just select the session that you saved and select open. The host key is not cached for the server, so I want to accept it. Enter your username and then enter your password. Let me send to this. So if you notice, the font is a little bit small, so you can always increase the font by right clicking on the terminal, select change settings, and select appearance, and then select change where you see the font size. Here I'm going to increase it to 16, then select OK, and then select apply. You can also change the font color, so you can right click again, select change settings, then select colors, and then for the foreground color, you can choose a color of your choice. So I'm going to select green here and then select OK and then select apply. And it makes it a bit more readable. And that's just about all you need to get started with Putty for beginners. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.